This boat is a 2020 Harris float boat. The model is a 230 Sunliner, powered by 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard. This particular boat is shown with the sterling gray panels with the midnight blue accent, and it has the black edition powder coat fence rails. This is a center walk-through floor plan with the extended swim platform. The interior vinyl is a desert camel, and actually the floor plan is a center walk-through with the dual helm seats, so you have captain's chairs side by side for the driver and the primary passenger. This has the upgraded JL audio system. And the changing room.